In the blue section, left hand side, the blue section will show the all connectors. Connectors, what is connector? Connector is giving you to connect with your database. Okay, you are using Tableau to work with data, because it will show your data in a graphical way to the user, so that user can understand their current situation, current status in the market easily, very easily. So that is why we are using the Tableau. So Tableau means you will work with the data, and so you need to connect with your data source. Okay, without data source it is not possible that you can you will get the data. Okay, so the connector, suppose Microsoft Excel, it is a connector here. This connector will help you to connect with your Microsoft Excel data. Okay, so like that, you text file, JSON file, Microsoft Access, PDF. So there are many connectors are available. If you click on the more, then you can see the all listed data source. According to my knowledge, Tableau is giving the option to connect with the all databases available in the world. Okay, more or less all databases. Okay, so these are the connectors available: Oracle, MySQL, OData, whatever. Suppose Google Ads is a connector, so this connector will help you to connect with your Google Ads. Okay, if you have any data source in your Google Ads, because Google Ads is paid service. Okay, so that if you have data source, then you can connect with the Google Ads. And same for MySQL, Oracle, okay, Postgres. So actually I know these databases. Okay, so Splunk, Teradata, so Spark. Okay, okay, so the all connectors are available. Now Tableau server. Why Tableau server? Actually Tableau is also providing their own data sources, so that sorry, very sorry, Tableau server is a data source itself. Okay, you can save your data source in the Tableau server. So Tableau is giving you to connect with the Tableau server. Okay, so I'm just to other system. So now suppose you don't have any data source, because you are not business, and you are not if you are a student, then you don't have any option to work with other your organization, so you don't have any data sources. So what you will do, you can actually download the dummy data source. Okay, Tableau is giving you the option. The Tableau is giving you the dummy data source, so that you can practice the Tableau. So how you will get? You just need to find, like, I'm giving a superstore data source. There are many Tableau dataset Tableau. If you find, search that, then Tableau will give you the option different files, sample data, and you will have multiple data sources. Okay, and if you click, then you will have the option to download the superstore database. I am very much interested to download the superstore database, so I am downloading it. Okay, it is a 3.2 MB file. Just it will take a small time. Okay.